Hi, welcome back. This is Kim with Storytime Soap Shop, and today I am doing an unboxing for you. This is our subscription box. I will put a link below as well as a coupon code for you. But this is the box that we make and send out every month. I've had some requests to actually show you what we send out, so I thought the February box would be a good place to start. So you'll get 2 cards every month. The first one, on the back, you'll see we show you how to win a free box. And I've yet to have anybody actually follow the instructions. But if you follow the instructions, you can win a box. We include a woman of note. This is just a little bit of history, something kind of, just to encourage you and let you know you can pretty much do whatever you put your mind to, as these women did. And it's just a kind of fun little, oh, here we go, the furnace is going to kick on. A fun little piece of history for you. And then on the back of that card, we tell you what you're getting inside the box. So this month we had our solid lotion and massage bars. Those were scented in Clean Couture. This is the deluxe box, by the way, and then a menthol and eucalyptus shower steamer. These are great if you're stuffed up. You put it in the bottom of your tub, away from the drain, so that the water hits it but doesn't go like immediately down the drain. And the menthol and eucalyptus kind of help you clear things up. This is our solid bubble bar. You should be able to get 2, 3, maybe 4 baths if you have softened water at home. It will create a lot more bubbles if you do have soft water. But you just crumble these up under running hot water and get a nice bubble bath. Then we have our Lips bath bomb. I'm sorry about the furnace. It is so cold and it won't stop kicking on. I tried to get this done before it kicked on again, but such is my luck. And then we have our pink sugar soap. Let's see, we got some lips in there. And finally, our massage candle. You light the wick, burn it until a pool of warm waxes and butters form, blow out the candle, and then you use that to massage yourself or a friend. Or just, if you like the smell of it, you can also just let this burn as a regular candle. This was also scented in the Clean Couture fragrance. But that is our deluxe subscription box from Storytime Soap Shop. It is called Clean Couture. We ship out between the 10th and 15th every month. We did ship out early for Valentine's Day, just to make sure that our customers got their items in time for the holiday. And the standard box is $24.95 a month. And for another $5 you get the deluxe box, which includes a deluxe item every month. And there will be a lot more stuffing in here. I just didn't put the top stuffing on. And I know everybody hates the squiggles, but we have to protect our products. So, but that's our box.